Okay, yes, and we're back live. Thank you. This is cooking with Chef Girl Nique. We're making some pink walleye fillet, and already made this Egusi soup, and just getting it ready for the hubby. Egusi soup. We got shrimp and what other fish? Shrimp and cod. First time cooking cod, so yeah. And then we're gonna have some eba. You know, can't always go to the restaurant. Got to figure some stuff out yourself. So he likes to eat his cultural foods, and I'll make it happen. We'll see how this stuff turns out. It's my first time cooking this too, but I heard it's some great fish. So yeah, Chef Girl Nique. I'll show you a plate soon. A goosey soup. Soon some eba.